In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Thredup discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and search for Thredup discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. As you can see, we have a list with different type of promo codes right here that you can use in order to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this $25 discount off your next order, you can simply select show coupon code from right here, and you can copy this promo code and apply this one on your next order in order to get this $25 discount. Also, we have this website right here, which is called retailminute.com, that has a lot of promo codes and deals that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this 60% off your next order, all you need to do is select show code from right here, and you can copy this promo code and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get this 60% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.